So guys, today I'm going to share you my experience about how was my first day at job, and being honest, I can't even describe it in words. And today is the day I really want to ask this universe that why is the person so stressful or so nervous at his first day at job. So the first thing that you are going to think about is that when will be your lunch break, and the second most important thing which you are going to think about is the whole day, and that is when will you go home. Well, then there is one rule that is one of the most important rules if you want to survive in corporate job.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Keep providing value to your company and you are always gonna survive. Well, now.
Hello guys, and you know what time it is?
Introduction. And if you are introvert, trust me my friend, you are so dead. And well, this is the time when gender equality doesn't matter.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke.
Because if you are a boy or a girl, you are definitely going to be nervous at the first day at your job. First task which I got in my company was to register and install Skype. And can you guess how much time I took? It took me whole 20 minutes to install and register on it. There is also one thought in your mind which is politics in your company. This is what we have heard, right? But the thing is that you just got
Bye, have a great time.